Gentlemen, all right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are calling the case of the state of Georgia versus Young Thug and Gunna. All right.
Free YSL.
Will the clerk please swear in the jury?
Will the jury please rise? Raise your right hand. Do each of you swear that you will fairly try the case before this court, and that you will return the true verdict according to the evidence and the instructions of the court, so help you God? Please say, I do.
All right.
May be seated.
All right, jury, so you have just agreed that after hearing the evidence and hearing from both sides, you guys will come to a conclusion upon reasonable doubt, all right, that you know for a fact whether or not Mr. Gunna and Mr. Young Thug are guilty or innocent. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with the opening statement of the plaintiff.
Your Honor, I charge unto thee that they are both guilty of gang-related activity and drug distribution throughout my state.
Okay. All right. We'll now hear the opening statement from the defense side.
Your Honor, I believe that these two young men right here did not do none of what he just said, no gang activities and no drug distribution at all. I believe they are innocent.
All right. All right, so with that being said, you've heard the opening statement from both sides. Now we're going to go ahead and call up our first witness. Evidence first? All right, we'll show the evidence first. All right.
We're not guilty.
Now we're going to play the evidence.
So, Mr. Gunn, let's get it rolling. We caught the footage. I've seen it all. We got you in 4K, and it is time to present to you the evidence.
En route to catch this YSL drug deal. Set him up. This is a suspect. Suspect. Please, right? Hold on. Make sure this is in, and make sure we got the right guy. Make sure we got the. All right, let's get. Hey. John Gunn.
Let's play some leadership.
Don't you try. I put a four in the A and a W, and I've been sipping on six. All three of my cards got ice on the buses.
Was it you? The night when Bubba lost his leg? Is what you think I said? Explain to me where were these pounds of cocaine and marijuana found?
Oh, you don't know them.
This is you!
Oh, yeah. That's what we do.
So when I encountered you with these pounds, it just so happens that I found a fat snack of bread. Yeah. So who's Bubba? We don't know.
footage. All right, footage. We saw the evidence with appears to be, or what the plaintiff is accusing the defendant of selling illegal substances. Okay. We will now hear from our first witness.
Your Honor, I would like to bring forth Bubba.
All right, Bubba, face the clerk. Raise your right hand.
Right.
That's a little.
Please raise your right hand. Do you promise that the testimony you shall give in the case where this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Please be seated.
Bubba. I do believe that you have a missing leg. I think we should show the jury the missing leg. Bubba, I ask of you, did you see the two I have on stand? Do you see them distributing drugs in their vehicle?
No.
Your Honor, they're scaring my witness. They're scaring my witness. Bubba, may you tell the jury what happened to your leg?
Found on the stairs.
Your Honor, no further questions.
All right. We will now give the defendants a chance to cross-examine the witness. Go ahead.
So, you say you lost your leg to the stairs? Good answer. Very, very good answer. Are you fully aware of what YSL is capable of?
Yes, I am.
No further questions.
All right. You may take your seat. All right. We will now give the defense their chance to call their witness up to the stand.
I call for my straight by that was going out.
All right. Face the clerk. Raise your right hand.
Do you promise that the testimony you shall give in the case where this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You may be seated.
All right. Where were you?
I was with Mr. Doug and Mr. Gunner in the studio. We were recording music.
Recording music. Were you there on the night that they ran over Bubba's leg?
I was not. Known each other for a while. They're good kids. They wouldn't do that.
No further questions.
All right. Plaintiff cross-examine the witness.
Yes, I would. Ma'am, how long have you been affiliated with YSL?
I've known those two for a while.
For a while. But is it correct that you have been affiliated with YSL for 3 days?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Jury, I would like to make it known that she has been affiliated with YSL for 3 days, though she says no, sir. No further questions.
All right. So I hear that the plaintiff would like to call. Do you have any other witnesses that you'd like to call to the
Well, I
stand?
actually have a surprise witness, Takashi 6ix9ine. Please come to the stand.
All right. Takashi 6ix9ine, please face the clerk. Raise your right hand.
Do you promise that the testimony you shall give in the case where this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You may be seated.
All right.
Takashi. Now, you are known for being an honest man. Put away quite many drug affiliated members of rap groups, and just gonna go ahead and ask you. I know you were a part of YSL recently.
No.
They say no, but I know that you were. Were they or were they not distributing illegal substances throughout my state of Georgia?
I saw them do it.
You saw them do it.
They did everything.
Jury, he saw them do it.
No, he didn't.
All right.
With the proof.
Well,
Got the proof.
my last question is, did you see them run over Bubba's leg
Nah.
and result in him losing his leg?
Yes, sir. I saw the whole
You
thing.
saw the whole thing.
With
They
it
did.
there.
Are they guilty?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, they're guilty. Jury, they're guilty. Thank you. No further questions, Takashi.
All right, so we're gonna give the defense their chance to cross-examine the witness.
Okay, 6'9". Where's your proof that they did this to Bubba?
My eyes.
Where's your proof?
Objection, hearsay.
Where's your proof?
I don't have proof.
Well, you don't have proof, so you can't prove that they're guilty.
I saw it though.
Oh, but your eyes don't see
Speculation.
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 I saw them do everything. I saw them run over Bubba.
Lack of evidence.
But where's the evidence though?
Objection, he's a good man. He's played many people. He would not lie.
Order in the court, order in the court.
Jury, with beyond reasonable doubt, I believe that these two young men right here, since there's no evidence being shown that they actually did this, I believe these two are innocent.
For my closing statement, jury, I brought forth the proper witnesses, a lost leg, Tekashi 6'9", the gun. I think that's enough to go ahead and put away these two. Now, I will say I enjoy their music. I love their music. I'm a man who listens to their music. However, it needs to stop. I say that they are guilty, and beyond reasonable doubt, I believe so.
All right, so jury, you have now heard both sides, both parties, both closing statements. All right, it's your job to go outside, come to a conclusion upon reasonable doubt, based on the evidence and what you have seen. All right, jury, you guys have had time to gather your thoughts, based on the evidence, based on what you've seen, heard. What is our final verdict?
We find that the defendant is not guilty.
Y'all owe me some money. Y'all owe me some money.
More money. Tekashi, I'm sorry. You're next.
All right, good job.